Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to restore or open up closed Google Chrome tabs or windows. Alright, so here I am within Google Chrome, and let's say I either exited out of this web browser tab, which is Kids National Geographic, or it got closed out some other way and I want to be able to reopen it. So there are two ways that you can do this. I'm using a MacBook, but if you're using a Windows computer, the process is the same for Google Chrome, restoring your web browser tabs. Okay, so let's say I accidentally closed out of that National Geographic tab and I want to reopen it. How do I restore it? What you want to do is navigate over to the three dots on the right-hand side of your browser, go down to where it says History, and then you'll notice that the history of your web browsers are here. So you'll notice I want to reopen National Geographic Kids. It's going to reopen that page for me. I hope this video helped you learn how to restore your tabs in Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I hope to see you in the next video.